Hey, today we will onboard a project in Google Analytics. So first we have to click in this link and then we're going to log in with our Google account. We will see here if we already have any project onboarded. As you can see here, I have technolympus.com, and otherwise if you don't have any, it will appear you there to create a new property. And if we have it, so we're going to go to settings, admin, then create a property, and here we're going to add our property details. In this case I will include share CB. Then we have to add our time zone and currency, then our business size and our main category, which for my case is related to jobs. Yeah, here it is, jobs and education. I'm gonna put it small. Then we're going to see what our objectives. I will select all of them to get data from everything, and then I'm gonna click on create. Then here I have to specify whether you are going to be monitoring a website, an Android app or an iOS app, and in my case it is going to be a website app. So here I have to put whether it's HTTP or HTTPS. Remember that we should always try to have an HTTPS due to the certification and since it encrypts the data. So I'm putting here my subdomain, well, my complete URL, then the name, so I'm gonna put as share CB, and here we can see all of the things that is gonna monitor. We can go to the settings and let me click it, and here we can see all of the things that are active. As you can see, by default page views will be always marked as true. Now we're going to do create and continue. Then here we just need to set up a Google tag, and we're going to wait so it gives us instruction. As you can see here, we have to put this tag for every page that we are going to monitor. So it is important to ensure this. So we can copy this, and if you have an AI tool that can help you out, I would recommend you to use it. In this case I have Codex, but you can use other like Cloud or Gemini or other alternatives. As you can see here, I'm telling it to add the next tag in all of our public pages. Mainly this could be added in a layout, and I think that is what it's gonna do here. So we can wait and we can see the result. Otherwise we can also do it manually. Well, my website was made with Laravel and React.js. So as you can notice, in Laravel we have like layouts where I can define this tag in one place and it will be inherited by all of the other pages. So here I am going to the resources, then views, then I'm gonna use my app.play.php, which is my layout, and all of the websites are using this. So as we notice here, we have script, and we cannot put in script under the script. So I'm gonna move it and put it right after the head tag. And now that it is here, just going to verify it, and yeah, since this is gonna work, so I'm just saving it. Now I'm gonna reload my share CB website, and I'm gonna inspect it and go to the elements, then see if the flag was added correctly, and it does. So I'm going to retest it, and as we can see here, it still doesn't detect it. So I'm gonna copy and paste this in another browser, and I'm gonna check if this appears here. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm going to elements, then head, and here it is. So maybe it was a problem with the time and the propagation. So I'm gonna proceed to check it again. I'm gonna click on retest. here we are. It says like it was correctly added, and we just have to put now in confirm. Now, as we can see here in this message, we need at least 48 hours to start getting data from our website. So I'm gonna wait this time and I'm gonna show you up the results. And as we can see here, I have the ShareCB and I have my other website, Technolimbus. And here we can see that even in these 2 days, it stored getting some data. We can see active users. We can also see in the last 30 days, as you can see here, before the time we set up, we have nothing. We can see new users, event counts. Then it shows us important data like the countries that visit us more. So we can see here it's India. Then we can see other countries that have been looking at our website, and with this data we can actually improve our content and try to make it better for these countries. We also see our top pages and we can see all of our analytics. So if it worked for you, please like and subscribe and give us a comment. Thank you for watching.